So this is the Norwex Dust Mitt. This is basically an EnviroCloth, made exactly the same way, but the fibers are a lot more long and plush so that it captures and holds the dust in its core and they don't transfer off to another place. So if you dust something that's super dusty, it's actually going to stay in the mitt. It's not going to go flying everywhere in your house. You can use this totally dry, or you can use it like how I do it, damp on one side, dry on the other, and that way if I'm coming across a sticky substance or surface, I can just wipe it with the wet side and I can just finish it off with the dry side. So basically I had the grandkids all weekend, and this is of course their place to play and have little snacks and their little juices, and of course this gets totally grossed out by my standards. So I know this is dusty, I know this is dirty. So this side's a little bit damp, so basically I'm just going to go across this whole thing and I'm just going to wipe the whole table down because I know it's wet and it's going to remove the stickies. And then I'm just going to follow it up with just drying it off. And you can see that it is totally clean. And then just the rest of it didn't get touched by children. And I can just totally just dust that totally off. So you can see how dusty this is, but I just want to show you how easy it is just to dust with our dust mitt and how quickly it captures the dust and leaves it inside the mitt. So I have taken my dust mitt and I just actually got it really wet. You can see how much water is in here. But this is actually going to allow me to clean my screens using just the mitt and water. And what a fast and easy way to clean screens without having to actually take them out, get the hose out, and having to do it the old-fashioned way. And hopefully we've got some dirt in here. Yes, we do. Let me go on the other side. The screens have two sides. And we're finished. So anytime you're done with your dust mitt and you want to make sure that it's cleaned out, get as much dust out of it as possible, there's two ways you can do it. One is take your vacuum cleaner attachment, haul it out, vacuum it out, okay? Or you can get the little rubber brush that we sell, and you can just brush it out over your garbage can, hang your cloth up, and in 24 hours this little guy will be ready to go again. Everything in it will be clean. This is my own personal mitt, and I've only washed it maybe 5 times in about 2 years. So you really don't need to wash this guy very often.